right, greetings and salutations. I'm Mr. B. This is a quick tutorial on how to connect two items together. As you see on my screen, we already have the two items that we've dragged over onto our work plane. Now you notice my work plane is not in the right position, so I'm going to move it back. Now these two items are now facing forward. What I want to do is make sure that this item connects to this item to make a new item. How do I do that? Well, I'm going to drag the two together and I'm going to place them right next to each other. Now you notice that the orange circle is touching and actually pushed into my rectangle right now, my red rectangle right here. Okay. And you notice my red rectangle is selected, but my orange circle object is not. So what do I got to do? I'm going to hold the shift key and left mouse click, and that will select both items together. Okay, once again, I'm going to use the shift key and the left mouse click on your mouse to connect the two together. Now what we want to do in this instance is we're going to do what's called grouping the objects together. This will make it simply one object. Up here on the top on our menu, you see the shortcut. It tells us to group it. I'm going to click group. Now you notice Tinkercad automatically recolors both objects to one color. Now if you want to separate the objects, click on the color, click on multicolor, and it puts it back to the original colors, but we still have one object, as you can see. So if I turn this object, if I start turning it, you see that it's still one object together, right? Now, again, one thing I wanted to point out real quick when we're rotating an object, if you notice, when I click down here, okay, and if I go to the inside, you see that it's automatically jumping to the incremental lines inside. But if I hold to the outside line, outside the circle, it goes by individual degrees. So you have a much finer chance of getting the degree you want. You can also type in an actual degree. Okay, if you wanted to change it to a specific number that you know what you need, you automatically type it in and then hit enter and you can do it. That takes care of connecting two objects together. I'm Mr. B. Have a great day.